Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today on my channel I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Acer Aspire 5 for 2022. So before we do the unboxing, let's quickly run through the specs of the laptop. So the model I have here is has the model number A514-55-545G, and Acer called the color steel gray. It comes with the 12th generation Intel Core i5 1235U 10-core processor with 2 cores performance and then 8 cores efficiency. It has a 14-inch Full HD display with IPS LED LCD, and it has the Intel SE graphics and also 8 gig DDR4 memory and a 512 gig of NVMe SSD. It has the Wi-Fi 6E and also 50-watt AM battery. So it's a business laptop, so you don't expect the power, the battery to be of a very big battery. So let's quickly unbox it. Okay, so you have this Acer paperwork. Got a question about your new Acer device? Ask us. And then you have a charging brick, which is a 45-watt charging brick, and then I expect to see a Type-C charger, but this is what we get. So, and this, and then also it got some screws, so which means it will be having a HDD port. Yeah, so like I said, HDD upgrade screws, so we'll be expecting it to have HDD bay. That's 2.5 HDD bay. So that's everything there. And then we also have other warranty papers with an envelope. I don't even know what is inside this envelope. That is normally include. And then to the laptop itself. Okay, I think that looks very nice. Well, from the outside look, it doesn't look bad at all. It's a $700 laptop. I was expecting to see something not this nice, but I think I am disappointed to see it to be very fat. It doesn't feel cheap. Wow, that is very nice of Acer. Wow. Okay, so the steel gray. The laptop actually feels very nice. So let's quickly check the parts. So from the left to right, you have the charging port, you have the keystone lock, and you have full HDMI port, and you have 2 USB-A port, and you have USB Type-C port, which I also believe is going to be a Thunderbolt 4 port. And at the front you have nothing, and at the right you have the LED indicators, and you have a 3.5mm audio jack, and you have another USB-A port, and then there's a keystone lock. Wow, I think this laptop is not bad for the price. So it's a $700 laptop and it got a very good processor. I was actually expecting to see a not very good laptop, but I think I am disappointed by Acer. By fact, the quality of the laptop is look very premium. And then look at the inches again. So the inches lift the laptop a little bit. Let me see if the laptop can open with one hand the lid. Oh no, it can, but you can say that it's not. Let's try it again. So it will, but unfortunately it will need you to put your second hand to hold it. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you about watching my video, and then stay tuned as I'll be reviewing this laptop in the next video. Bye.